So the Bolt statue was recently revealed in Jamaica. A lot of people have statues of Usain Bolt in other country, even in London, England, they have a wax figure of him. But today the official Bolt monument or Bolt statue have been revealed, and it's good to see him given this real recognition because he have done a lot for Jamaica and a lot for our country and representing our country for many years. Granted, the first statue that they unveiled I was not a fan of, and there was also some issues about where the statue was supposed to be placed. But let's get into the story. And it says sprint legend Usain St Leo Bolt has been immortalized in the bronze with the unveiling of an 8-foot statue in his likeness at the Jamaica's National Stadium yesterday. Depicting his trademark to the world stance, Bolt, who opted to freestyle his acceptance speech, admitted to being at loss for words after listening to the tributes from Warren Blake, president of the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, Victor Lopez, the president of the North American, Central America and Caribbean Association of Athletics, Sebastian Seo, president of the International Association of Athletics Federation, Sports Minister Olivia Grange, and Dr. Peter Phillips, leader of the parliamentary opposition. Guest speaker Prime Minister Andrew Holness reminded the athlete that Jamaica owed him a lot for the branding capital he has given to the country, and that's definitely true. In response, Bolt made it clear that he was still in awe of his accomplishments, which should serve as inspiration to others. No words to describe how I'm feeling right now. How is this even possible? Barefoot youth from country, run up and down, drop, buck, tour, all of them something there. I've never even at no point felt I would be in this moment, as big as it is now, among statues at the National Stadium where it all began. This is why I always encourage everybody, and this is why my motto says anything is possible, no limits. Because at no point in time I ever thought I would ever achieve this much, but I've always pushed on and stayed focused for what I want. He was very appreciative of and happy with the statue. Mr. Basil Watson, a great statue. I really want to thank you. You really got all the details right, even my toes, which are ugly. I've really put out my hardest to make this country proud, and even though I'm retired, will always try my best to continue making my country proud. So thank you guys for everything. I really appreciate it. And this goes to show that no good deed goes without being recognized. And as far as I'm concerned, I feel like Usain is on that level of Bob Marley as far as his legendary status and everything that he has done for Jamaica and the capital and advertisement that he has given to Jamaica worldwide on a global stage. So the work he has put in is very good for our country and our culture, and I'm happy he said in his speech that his motto is no limit. And this goes to show other youngsters in Jamaica that no matter where you come from or what your background is or who you are, that you can be successful, you can be a positive influence to others in whatever field or category you choose to be in, whether it's sports, lawyer, doctor, whether you're a chef, you're a barber, whatever you do that has a positive impact on today's society and today's people, you are doing your job. So big up to Bolt and big up to everybody that was involved in curating this statue and actually putting it in the National Stadium. I know Jamaicans abroad are proud, and we're even more proud that this statue is actually in our country now and situated where people from other countries can actually come and look at it and actually take pictures and all that. So it's good to see this actually take place in Jamaica and him be present and very grateful. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about the statue. Did you like the first one that they unveiled? Do you think this one is better? To me personally, I feel like this new one that they unveiled, was better than the first preliminary one. I didn't like the preliminary one. But big up to Usain Bolt. I hope he continues to do what he's doing and continue to be a good representative of Jamaicans youth and who our Jamaican people are, and actually be a positive influence to other people. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuce.